A video has emerged showing the Ondo State Commissioner of Police, Bolaji Salami, preventing the state's Deputy Governor, Agboola Ajayi, from leaving the government house with an official vehicle. Mr. Salami said he recently caught wind of Mr. Ajayi's moves to defect from the ruling All Progressives Congress (APC) to the opposition People's Democratic Party, an action he said should render him unqualified for some official benefits. But Mr. Ajayi pushed back against the assertion, saying he should still be allowed to enjoy the perks of office as an incumbent deputy governor. He said he used his personal funds to buy the Toyota Hilux truck from which he was being denied access. The encounter, which reportedly lasted several hours, came as Mr. Ajayi intensified his push to contest against his boss, Rotimi Akeredolu, at the upcoming governorship election, according to those familiar with the matter. Mr. Ajayi was Mr. Akeredolu's running mate in the 2016 governorship election in Ondo and has served as his deputy since assumption of office in February 2017. How the rift between the governor and his deputy began was not immediately clear, but their fallout has broadened and became increasingly public ahead of party primaries. The video, which emerged on social media overnight, contained both Mr. Salami's reason preventing Mr. Ajayi from entering into the vehicle and the deputy governor's counter-argument. In the video, the police commissioner said, "We are not saying you should not go out. Since you are defecting, even your letter was brought to me in my office this evening that you are doing it, decamping, on Monday. What the government is saying is that you cannot go out with official vehicles. This is politics. I am not saying it is right. This is a government house, the governor is the one talking. Give me a few minutes, let me talk to my boss." In his response, Mr. Ajayi said, "I have tried all constitutional and acceptable means to prevent this crisis. You are being used by the governor to deprive me of my constitutional rights. I am highly disappointed that a policeman of your caliber can be used like this. I personally paid for this vehicle. You should not have put yourself in this mess. Let me tell you, you cannot repeat what happened in this state in 1983 because Ondo State people will resist you and your emperor with everything."
Sir?
The government house. So
what is your duty on those things?
They are not saying you should not go out.
That's what you are doing now. Not even this boy. It is you now that's doing the CP.
You're already defecting. That's what.
It's even like he's doing it now, not anybody.
No, you're already defecting.
How?
Even your letter was brought to me this evening.
That what?
That you are doing it on Monday.
So if I
government is
so if I do it, are you not a
defecting?
Excuse me, please. Are you not a police officer? It's not that. If I'm leaving a place on that, what's your concern about? Are you are you an APC chairman? Are you the PDP chairman?
DJ ATV.